Today, I will share the art and the science of creating high converting Facebook ads for real estate. I'm going to share the insider tactics and expert tips that'll change your ads from meh to magnetic, attracting more clients and closing more deals than ever before. Hey, I'm Shawn and I am a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtors Blueprint, which helps realtors generate non-stop leads while they sleep through Facebook ads. I have spent tens upon tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads. I've helped hundreds, if not thousands, of realtors generate non-stop leads through Facebook ads. And here I'm ready to do the same for you in this video. So listen up. My best ads are where we are offering up a free list of homes in a specific neighborhood. Take note of that, specific neighborhood. I tell most people this, and when they hear it, they will go run an ad and say, here's a list of homes in my entire city. I did not say city, I said neighborhood. Just want to clarify that. Most will get hung up on this because they think, well, why would I not do entire city? Because if I'm doing the entire city, I'm gonna get more leads, and that's gonna get more people coming into my funnel because it's just more broad. And I learned out many years ago that the more broad you are, the more broke you will be. And it's the more niche down you are, the better results you actually get. So when I run my ads, I find I get far better results because my ad is very specific and it's speaking to a very specific person. I may get less leads, but I'm getting a lot higher quality leads. And for myself, I would rather be reaching out to fewer high quality leads than a ton of garbage leads. How about you? For example, if I was to run an ad for a list of homes in my entire city under a specific price range, it can work, but it's just, again, a little too broad. People might be like, well, that could be in that neighborhood, that could be in that neighborhood. Or if you didn't have a price and said a list of homes in the entire city, people would be like, okay, well, that could be anywhere from, depending on your market, $200,000 to $5 million. Why would I want to click on that list? It just doesn't feel like something I'm interested in as a consumer. Now, if I see your specific list where it says, here's a list of homes in this neighborhood under this price, now you have my attention if I'm interested in that neighborhood. I'm going to see that ad and be like, oh my gosh, I'd love to live there. I did not realize you could get a home for under that price. I feel like this list is made for me. I want to click on it and I want to see what's available. And you're right, those that maybe are not interested in that neighborhood, they're not going to click on your ad. But that's okay, because we are making this list so specific that it brings in leads that are very high quality. And remember to make that price as low as you can. The lower the price, the more attention you're gonna get because it speaks affordability. So what I like to do is that price as low as possible, while say to have 4 to 5 listings in that list. If I put the price too low and there's only one listing, you're shooting yourself in the foot because somebody's gonna click on it, put their information, it only sends them one listing and they're gonna be like, well, this is really not much of a list. I feel like I was just baited into giving my contact information. Because of everything that I just spoke about, we are making the list very specific. Under a certain price, it is speaking to a very specific person. This makes your conversion a lot easier. Now, when you're reaching out to them, it's easier to have the conversation because they clicked on a very specific list. You could say, well, is this the only neighborhood you're interested in? What other areas are you looking at? And it can really help to start the conversation because you are talking specifically to them about that specific list you offer, if that makes sense. Start asking questions. When those leads come in, remember, telling ain't selling. You need to ask questions and figure out what is best for that contact. Instead of just coming at them right away saying, hey, do you want to buy or sell a home? Very off-putting. Ask more questions. Is that the only neighborhood you're looking in? Would you be interested in some other homes in a higher price range if I sent them to you? Are you relocating within the city? Moving from out of town? Just as the conversation goes, ask more questions, get to know more about them, and it shows that you give a crap and you actually care about them. From there, when you have a better understanding of that lead, this is where you can offer up to set them up on your auto email. When I say auto email, I'm talking about the emails that go out to contacts when we set them up in our MLS saying, this is their criteria, here's their email, and it'll send them new listings and new solds as they come about. This is an amazing way to keep you top of mind, give them the information that they actually want, and keep a line of communication. This is what you should be doing at the very least, because if you're never going to talk to them again, how are they ever going to remember you? So with the auto email, at least they're getting emails from you consistently, and it's helping to keep you top of mind. I highly, highly recommend you do not stop here, but for those of you that may not listen to me, at the very least, it is so easy to get them on the auto email, and now they're getting getting emails from you all the time without you having to lift a finger. Do you not think that your chances of converting one of these leads might be a heck of a lot higher if you just do this one thing? But taking it a step further from that, like I said, do not stop here. Get them set up on the auto email, because now they're going to be getting these emails that they want from you. This now gives you an amazing excuse to be able to follow up with them once a week or every other week, depending on their temperature. Again, it shows that you care about them. So it's just as simple as reaching out and saying, hey, how's the auto email working? Is there any changes you would like done to it? And that is it. That's all you have to say. And you'd be amazed at the conversations this starts up. They might be like, hey, we're actually just thinking about you the other day. Or, hey, funny you message us. We were just looking at this listing this morning. What do you think of it? If you never reached out, you may have never had that conversation. Fortune is in the follow-up. This is very important. So to recap, as I mentioned in this video, this is an amazing way for you to get high quality leads. This will take some time. You may need to do some testing. Try different neighborhoods, try different price points, and see what's going to bring you in the best type of leads that you actually want to speak to. Have conversations with those people, convert them onto your auto email, and you can eventually build a database of a ton of people on your auto email that you can follow up with every single week. And eventually this will snowball and I guarantee you are going to get customers. It just may take some time. So don't give up, keep with it. And I cannot wait to see you convert some of these leads into customers. If you are wanting to get started on this process and start bringing in some leads today, then I have you covered. I have a free guide. It is my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. If you'd like a copy of that, comment with Facebook ads and I will send it your way. That's it today. As always, if this was beneficial, please, if you could give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be notified of when I post future videos on Facebook ads. Have fun with it. Take care. Let me know your results. And until the next video, I hope you have a great day. Take care.